Hi everyone! So today I am here at my neighbor's house to clean the refrigerator. Okay, so I'm using baking soda for cleaning. Okay, so what's in the refrigerator? You can see how messy it is. So do we need to empty the refrigerator to clean it? Yes. Take all the food out before you clean the inside of your refrigerator. But if you're only cleaning the outside of your refrigerator, so it's fine to leave everything in. Wait, should I unplug the fridge before cleaning it? No, you don't need to unplug the fridge unless you're cleaning the cracks. In cleaning the fridge, so I use baking soda with hot water and of course with clean dish towels. After cleaning the fridge with baking soda, so you need to wipe again with clean and dry towel. Wait, how can I get gang without seal around the door? Use a cloth soap and hard water and dish soap to clean the door seals.